Hey guys, welcome to series number 6 and my top 12 ways to make money online. There's several ways to generate revenue in the online space. Today, I want to take a look at something called Amazon Machine Turk. This one I haven't personally done yet, but I'm looking into it. It looks really interesting. I'm just working on some other things before I jump in to this particular method of making money online. Turk is basically a crowdsourcing marketplace. It allows companies to hire temporary workers to complete virtual tasks. This provides companies with a means to get things done without spending a ton of cash on hiring and training. It also allows companies in ever-evolving industries to conduct surveys via Turk users to make sure they're staying in the know. It also allows them to build, manage, and evaluate machine learning workflows via remote workers. So what services can you find on Turk? Tasks often range from data processing all the way to simple things like image processing. Data processing can mean a number of things, though. You can help companies understand and respond to different forms of data by transcribing and editing audio content, for example. You can answer questions on your computer or mobile device to help companies plan out their marketing efforts. Companies with large online directories or catalogs use Turk to identify duplicate entries and verify item details. Now, I know we're making amazing technological advances every day, but there's still some things that are better left to the human touch. Things like analyzing images properly. So what do gigs on Amazon Turk pay? Well, the gigs range from 0.01 cents to a whopping 35 cents per task. Now, it's not a very lucrative side hustle for sure. Back in 2017, the researchers at Cornell University did a study, and it was called a data-driven analysis of workers' earnings on Amazon Mechanical Turk. And what they found was that the average worker performing tasks on the platform were making less than $2 per hour. So what does all this information mean for you? Well, here's some final thoughts I have. While making money online is becoming more appealing, not all opportunities are equal or worthwhile. There's a chance to earn a little bit of extra money using this method. However, it's really going to be more like a filler side gig that covers the cost of diapers or maybe some gas money. You're not going to be paying the mortgage with it. If you want to scale your efforts to make money online, I suggest you find a mentor who will guide you properly. I highly recommend learning from the same people that I did, because the knowledge and skills I learned from my mentor allowed me to build systems that generate income from multiple streams. I'll put a link to that below this video so you can go watch it and check it out. If you want to read the article that I wrote on this particular topic, head on over to the blog and check it out. I'll put the link below this video in the description so you can link right to it.